Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a install of Yolissa's hair. This video is sponsored. I have already bleached the knots, but I will be showing you guys a video of the hair fresh out of the pack and what it looks like. It is absolutely amazing, no smell or anything like that. And I'm going to show you everything that comes into the box as well. So you get a pair of eyelashes, you get like your little hair tie thing just to kind of tie down your edges a little bit. You get the edge brush in case you like little edges. I personally don't know how to do that, so I won't be doing that today. You get like a little scarf, and you get your wig cap. Of course you'll need some wig caps, okay? You need that. And then you also get like a little satin bag as well to hold the hair in. I have worked with Yolissa previously and I've absolutely loved the hair. As a matter of fact, you guys will see me wearing the hair from the previous install on most of my videos. So here is the hair, and this is what it looks like. It is such a pretty curl pattern. And I did bleach the knots and I've cut the unit to my hair size, and of course you'll see like a little bit of makeup on it. But here is the knot on the back of my hand. Absolutely gorgeous. So I wanted to kind of bring you in just to kind of show you how well that this hair blends in. Again, there is just a little bit of foundation. This is the lace right here, if you guys don't know. That is complete lace. And it just blends in and it looks amazing. But we're going to go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and install. Okay, so I've already cut my ear tabs for this install. So right now I'm just making sure that it's comfortable and it lines up on my head. What I love about the cap is that it's pretty big, so it gives me just a lot of room to work with, which is awesome. And as you guys can see, without me even laying down anything, it is already starting to blend. Okay, so it's in a pretty good, and I love the curl pattern. Super easy, just kind of get up and go, but we'll see at the end once it is fully styled. So I've already cleansed my hairline using some alcohol. So I've already used a little white pad, cleanse my hairline. Always want to make sure you do that before you put down product. And today it just depends on the way that I feel. Like I kind of go back and forth. Sometimes I will use the glue, and then other times I'll just use the Ebin lace spray. So today we're going to be using the Ebin lace spray. When laying your lace, this is just something I personally do. I kind of go like right above my natural hairline, and then I'll apply the glue there. I do have on a bald cap. I don't do like laying it down and stuff. I just kind of toss one on and call it a day. But again, I do try to go like right above where my natural hairline stops, and then I lay the cap there. Something about it just makes it lay better in my opinion. Now I kind of rub it out with my hand or my finger just to make sure that the glue is not clunky or anything like that. You want to apply this just until it becomes tacky. You can do as many layers as you want. I'll probably do maybe like 2 or 3 because I want it to last. Okay, so before I let this melt, I'm gonna take a razor and just kind of cut off the excess over here. I'm just taking like a little bit of alcohol on like a sponge or whatever this is called, like a cotton swab or something like that. And I'm just going in and cleaning up that extra glue. Gonna see a cast right now. It is perfectly fine. We're gonna get it. You just want to make sure that any extra glue we have on our forehead or on the sides is completely gone. All right, then I'm going to take a little bit of my foundation and I'm going to go in and just lightly cover those edges that are just out and about, you know, the white cast that we see. Okay. And then before we melt it, I'm going to do a little bit of the Tresemme. I know there is like a blue one they told you to use, but I'm just gonna use what I got. So just gonna go around the edges here and then just make sure we blend that in. Okay, so now that we have that on there, now I'm gonna use the melt band that came inside of the box to just melt my edges and make sure that it looks good. Okay, just gonna take it and you're gonna just line it up. Oops. Okay, and then I'm gonna just move this back right there. Okay, so here we are. This is the next day, and the hair is amazing. You know, it looks great. I love it. I'm just gonna try to style it now. I'm not really sure how to style it. I've never had like wavy hair before. Well, I have in the past, but yeah. But anyway, the hair is absolutely stunning. I love it. Okay, it's gorgeous. Okay, so I think I've gotten it straightened in the top the way that I want it to be. And like, I just want you guys to like really look at this lace. I'm gonna see if I can zoom you in. Hold on. Cause like the lace is lacing like. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wet it, and I'm going to use a little bit of conditioner as well. And this is going to, I'm going to let it dry overnight, and then I'll come back tomorrow and I'll show you guys the end result. All right, guys, so here we are. This is the finished look. I literally got up this morning and did nothing more than just kind of one of those and call it a day. I do think that this hair is going to be absolutely amazing if you're going out on vacation or you just need a get up and go style. This is going to be the one for you. The lace, in my opinion, I feel like the lace came pre-plucked because I literally did not have to do much at all to get it to lay down. Like, it's A1, and the blending A1. Okay, so yeah, final thoughts. I absolutely love it. The curl pattern super easy to work with and maneuver. Absolutely love Yolissa hair. I've worked with them previously and nothing but good things. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.